How do you start a Westinghouse dryer, LD500? We just got one from the people that we bought our house from, and I'm not sure if it is broken. It says to press the button on the door to start, but pressing that button just opens that door.
Hi there, and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. Please remember to rate my assistance at the end of our dealings, as this is a requirement of using the site. By continuing, you are in agreement with this. At any time you may ask further questions if you feel the need. Hold some pressure on the door firmly and push very hard on the button. It should pop in and the dryer should start if you have selected the correct program on the panel. Pushing the door button in is required. Yes, it'd say the door switch is a bit tight and may just need some dry lube, etc. Try the above and let me know how you go, please.
Hi, my husband ended up sorting it out for me. Yes, just used a bit more force than I was.
Hi Beck, they can get a bit hard as time goes by. Try using a little smear of Vaseline on the door catch that pokes into the cabinet when the door closes. You will find this makes a huge difference. Okay, good stuff. I knew you just had to push harder, lol.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.